I'm James Spinney, and here is your morning market report. We first begin overseas with the major Asian Pacific markets once again trading mixed, with Japan's Nikkei 225 index on the downside, roughly 1.25%. Meanwhile, European markets trading higher this morning, and U.S. stock futures are pointing towards a moderately higher open. Now, first we begin in Europe. This as the Greek cabinet right now is holding an emergency meeting today. The rumor is that former Vice President of the European Central Bank, Lucas Papademos, will be named the new Prime Minister of Greece. Meanwhile, Italian Prime Minister Silvio Berlusconi faces a vote in Parliament today and needs to prove that he has enough to implement the recent round of austerity measures. Berlusconi did reportedly tell key officials today that he might consider stepping down if he does not win an absolute majority. Italian-German 10-year spread has actually eased this morning. Meanwhile, UK October retail sales figures for stores that have been opened at least 12 months fell roughly 0.6%, this from 1 year ago. Total sales value, however, rose 1.5% compared to a year ago. Shares of Dinergy today is expected to report its earnings of 27 cents per share. Meanwhile, Dinergy yesterday did file for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection for some of its subsidiaries, this as part of a proposed debt restructuring agreement. In more earnings news, we have French bank Societe Generale posting third quarter net profit of 622 billion euros, down roughly 30.6% from 1 year ago. The Toyota Motor Corporation cut its profit forecast. This after Thailand floods and the Japanese earthquake hit the company hard. Profit for the company fell roughly 19% to 80.4 billion yen, missing estimates. And Credit Suisse will reveal the names of its wealthy American clients and details of their accounts, this to the IRS. The bank is complying with a request from the Swiss government for account information, this after U.S. officials asked the Swiss government for help as part of a wider tax probe.